Watermelon, with its vibrant colors and sweet, juicy flesh, is a beloved fruit enjoyed by millions around the globe. But beyond its refreshing taste lies a rich history, a plethora of health benefits, and a world of culinary possibilities. Let's delve into the fascinating world of watermelon, exploring its origins, its nutritional value, and some delightful combinations that will tantalize your taste buds. Watermelon, Citrullus lanitus, is believed to have originated in Africa, with evidence of its cultivation dating back to ancient Egypt over 5,000 years ago. The fruit spread across the Mediterranean region and eventually reached Europe and other parts of the world through trade routes. Today, watermelon is cultivated in many countries with warm climates, including the United States, China, and India. In ancient times, watermelon was prized not only for its sweet flavor but also for its water content, making it a valuable source of hydration in arid regions. It was even placed in the tombs of Egyptian kings as a source of nourishment in the afterlife. Health benefits. Watermelon is not only delicious, but also packed with nutrients that contribute to overall health and well-being. With its high water content, about 92% water, watermelon is an excellent choice for staying hydrated, especially during hot summer months. This hydration is essential for various bodily functions, including temperature regulation, digestion, and nutrient transport. Furthermore, watermelon is low in calories and contains no fat or cholesterol, making it a guilt-free snack or ingredient in various dishes. Its high fiber content also promotes healthy digestion and may aid in weight management by promoting feelings of fullness. In addition to its hydrating and low-calorie properties, watermelon is a rich source of vitamins and minerals. It is particularly high in vitamin C, which is essential for immune function and collagen production. Vitamin A, another important nutrient found in watermelon, is crucial for vision, skin health, and immune function. Moreover, watermelon is a good source of potassium, an electrolyte that helps regulate blood pressure and maintain proper muscle and nerve function. Potassium, along with magnesium and calcium, found in watermelon, plays a role in maintaining electrolyte balance and supporting heart health. Watermelon also contains antioxidants such as lycopene, beta-carotene, and cucurbitacin E. These compounds have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, which help protect cells from damage caused by free radicals and may reduce the risk of chronic diseases like heart disease and certain cancers. Some studies suggest that consuming watermelon before exercise may help improve hydration status and reduce muscle soreness due to its high water content and amino acid citrulline. Citrulline is also believed to have potential benefits for cardiovascular health by promoting the production of nitric oxide, which helps relax blood vessels and improve blood flow. Watermelon recipes and their health benefits. While watermelon is delicious on its own, there are a lot of combinations that can elevate its flavor profile and add a unique twist to your culinary experience. Watermelon and feta cheese. The sweet juiciness of watermelon pairs surprisingly well with the salty tang of feta cheese, creating a refreshing and savory flavor contrast. Watermelon provides hydration and essential vitamins like vitamin C, while feta cheese contributes calcium and protein for bone health and muscle repair. Watermelon and balsamic vinegar. Drizzling balsamic vinegar over watermelon slices enhances its natural sweetness with a touch of acidity, creating a delicious and sophisticated flavor combination. Watermelon offers hydration and antioxidants, while balsamic vinegar provides acetic acid, which may aid in digestion and blood sugar regulation. Watermelon and mint. Fresh mint leaves complement the refreshing taste of watermelon, adding a cool and aromatic element to salads, beverages, or desserts. Watermelon is hydrating and rich in vitamins, while mint aids digestion and has antimicrobial properties that support oral health. Watermelon and lime. Squeezing lime juice over watermelon slices adds a zesty kick and enhances its natural flavors, creating a refreshing and tangy treat. Watermelon provides hydration and antioxidants, while lime boosts vitamin C intake, which supports immune function, and collagen production for healthy skin. Watermelon and chili powder. Sprinkling chili powder or tajin over watermelon slices creates a unique blend of sweet, spicy, and tangy flavors, popular in Mexican cuisine. Watermelon offers hydration and antioxidants, while chili powder contains capsaicin, which may help boost metabolism and reduce inflammation. Watermelon and basil. The subtle aromatic flavor of basil complements the sweetness of watermelon, creating a refreshing and herbaceous flavor combination. Watermelon provides hydration and antioxidants, while basil offers anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties, supporting digestive health and immune function. Watermelon and prosciutto. The salty, savory flavor of prosciutto balances the sweetness of watermelon, creating a delicious contrast of flavors and textures. Watermelon hydrates and provides vitamins, while prosciutto offers protein and healthy fats, which help promote satiety and muscle repair. Watermelon and cucumber. The crisp, refreshing taste of cucumber complements the juicy sweetness of watermelon, making for a light and hydrating salad or beverage. Watermelon hydrates and provides vitamins, while cucumber is low in calories and high in water content, aiding in hydration and digestion. Watermelon gazpacho. This chilled soup is a refreshing twist on the classic Spanish gazpacho, featuring the sweet and juicy flavor of watermelon, along with tomatoes, cucumbers, and bell peppers. It's perfect for hot summer days. This chilled soup combines the hydration and antioxidants of watermelon with the vitamins and minerals from tomatoes, cucumbers, and bell peppers, supporting immune function, hydration, and overall health. Conclusion. These combinations not only offer unique and delicious flavor profiles, but also provide a range of nutrients that contribute to overall health and well-being. Incorporating watermelon into various dishes allows you to enjoy its refreshing taste while reaping the benefits of its nutritional content. These recipes are just a glimpse of the endless culinary possibilities that watermelon offers. Whether you're enjoying it as a simple snack with salt and black pepper, or incorporating it into more complex dishes like salads, soups, or salsas, watermelon adds a burst of flavor and freshness to any recipe. Additionally, the health benefits of watermelon, including hydration, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, make it a nutritious addition to your diet. So embrace the versatility of this beloved fruit and get creative in the kitchen this summer while nourishing your body with its goodness. In the comments below, share your favorite combination of watermelon. Subscribe to the channel for more informative videos. Thank you for watching.